Kung tatanong natin yung lahat na nandito, no, ano ba ang pag-ibig? No? What is love? Kundi love is something to be experienced. Love is something that dapat nating maranasan. Where do we learn love? Una-una siyempre sa ating mga magulang.
Ay, minsan lang yan.
But most especially, we learn about love through God.
Bawal umiyak. Shh. Huwag mo kayo. Bawal, bawal, bawal.
It was the very first day of freshman year, 2013. God knows it was love at first sight. Before you, hindi ko akalain na ganito pala ka-peaceful ang love kapag nasa tamang tao ka na.
Hear the rush, feel the fire pulling like a live wire humming under your skin.
Kasi yung inner self ko, sandali lang.
Don't let it fade, 'cause we're too close now to play it safe. We gotta chase that feeling, suck it up, just breathe.
Sinisigawan nila ako.
Shall carry us away, away. Where the sky runs brighter, time moves a little slower. Let the good life carry us away. Yeah, we're chasing that feeling. Gotta chase that feeling.
Hi babe, here is a little gift so everywhere you go, a part of me goes with you. I can't wait to see you. I love you. 1, 2, 3.
Time moves a little slower. Let the good life carry us away. Yeah, we're chasing that feeling. We're chasing that feeling.
Now, as a sign of your joy and approval, let us now give our newly married couple, Kirby and Keith, a joyful round of applause.
We're chasing that feeling.
You became my safe place, my favorite person, and my home. If you remember 10 years ago, sinabi ko sa'yo na gusto ko pang nagka-boyfriend ako last na. And now 10 years later, ito na tayo. Andito ka, fulfilling that wish.
Take it all in.
It could ever express how thankful I am, but I hope these remind you how much I love and appreciate you all. Please know that I'll always be here for you. I love you always. Your first one, Duck Bride, Keith.
I love you. Nakakainis yung kanya. Birthday.
here and I.
Thank you for becoming my peace in the middle of all the beautiful noise. Thank you for loving me in every season of our life. Today, I promise to hold your hand with pride through ups and downs. I promise to be your number one fan in whatever you do.
To my soon-to-be husband, this simple gift is a small reminder of how grateful I am for you and for the kind of person you are. You never ask for anything, yet you deserve every beautiful thing life has to offer. From today and for the rest of our lives, allow me to love you, spoil you, and give you the happiness you deserve, in big ways and small. I'll see you at the altar. I love you always, Kit. Thank you kasi... Ako siyang iiyak. I know. Sana proud siya sa akin.
Kinakabahan ako! Baka maiyak ako, humagulgol ako doon. Iiyak kaya si Kirby? Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi yun iyakin.
Before I met you, my life used to be quiet and alone. And for the longest time, I thought that was enough. Until you walked into my life and made it beautifully loud. Now, I can't imagine a day without hearing your voice, you standing by my side. I promise na lagi ako nandyan sa tabi mo. I promise na poprotektahan kita at aalagaan kita. At higit sa lahat, araw-araw kitang pipiliin at mamahalin habang buhay. I love you.